You see it. Let's get it. TikTok Invisible Challenge was dropping malware on your machine. So be careful. Y'all trying to look at naked people. Y'all getting malware on your machine. So once again, super quick article. Let's check it out. TikTok Invisible Body Challenge exploited to push malware. Hackers capitalized on a trending TikTok challenge named in the Invisible Challenge to install malware on thousands of devices and steal their password, Discord account, and potentially cryptocurrency wallets. A new trend TikTok challenge requires you to film yourself naked while using the TikTok invisible body filter, which moves the body from the video and replaces it with a blurry background. The challenge had led to people posting videos of them allegedly naked but obscured by the filter. To capitalize this, third actors created a TikTok video that claims to offer a special unfiltered filter to remove the TikTok body masking effect, exposing the TikToker's nude body. However, this software is fake and installs the WASP stealer, Discord token grabber malware, capable of stealing Discord accounts, password, credit cards stored on browsers, cryptocurrency wallets, and even files from a victim's computer. These videos have received over millions of views shortly after being posted. One of the threat actors' Discord servers amassing over 30,000 members. TikTok trends. In a new report by cybersecurity firm Checkmarks, researchers found two TikTok videos posted by the attacker that quickly amassed over a million views combined. The now suspended TikTok user Learn Cyber and Kodak BTC created the videos to promote a software app to remove filters and visible body, according to a Discord server named Space Unfiltered. The threat actors have since moved to the Discord server, but Checkmark states that they have approximately 32,000 members at one point. So if you remember, that's how I used to look. You had the filter and they were naked. So people were trying to get that app to take the filter off, right? To see people unclothed. Once the victim joined the Discord server, they received a link posted by a bot pointing to a GitHub repository that hosted the malware. The attack has been so successful that malicious repository has achieved a trending GitHub project status. And while it has since been renamed, it currently has 103 stars and 18 forks, right? So people were really, using it or trying to use it. The project file contains a Windows bat file that, when executed, installs a malicious Python package, WASP downloader, and a README file that links to a YouTube video containing instructions on installing the TikTok Unfiltered tool. The Checkmark analyst discovered that the attacker used multiple Python packages hosted on PyPI, including TikTok Filtered API, PyShuffler, PyOps, and PyDressing, with new ones added every time. The old packages are reported and removed, and also the packages use the starjacking technique on PyPI, linking the project to a popular GitHub project that they have no association with to make it appear legitimate. So that's one of the ones that we're using to make their malware seem legitimate. Once again, it looks like a normal Python project, but the malicious package copy original code but contains a modification for installing the WASP malware on the host. Just highlighting the malware right there for you. It seems this attack is ongoing, and whenever the security team at Python deletes his package, he quickly improvises it, improves it, creates a new identity, and simply uses a different name. These attacks demonstrates again that cyber attacks have started to focus their attention on open source package ecosystems. We believe this trend will only accelerate in 2023. At the time of this writing, GitHub repository used by the attacker still up. The TikTok Unfiltered package have been replaced with Nitro generator files. The Discord server Unfiltered Space app was taken offline, with threat actors claiming they had moved to another server. So once again, it's the cat and mouse game, and hackers are always out there. Just be safe, but yeah, don't fall for the invisible challenge with the unfiltered package with the malware in it. Once again, Professor Back Ops, be safe out there. Please subscribe.